How are you all? Hope you're doing well. So today we are talking about another Bhutan famous recipe. So I think couple of recipe before we talk about datschi, I did show you the video that how we actually do the datschi recipe, and I think couple of more different ways that where people put different type of peppers and create that datschi. The datschi is actually about pepper and different type of peppers and chilies. But today we are talking about another recipe which is also very hot famous, and the name is KEWA DATSHI. So let's begin. Hi friends, this is Gunjan Shah, आपका होस्ट एंड दोस्त. आपका स्वागत करता हूँ आपके चहेते चैनल पे जिसका नाम है हिंदुस्तानी ऑजी शेफ. So let's begin the recipe and tell me what we are using today for the ingredients. We have a boiled and nicely grated potato, sliced nice chili. This one is onion, we call it scallions. We're going to use only half tomato for the recipe. We have a couple of garlic cloves, do lasun ki kaliya hai. And we're going to use 3 slices of cheese, and we'll just see the consistency and then we add on, because this one is little thick and gooey texture recipe. So let's begin. So as I showed you in the other recipe as well, we are just start doing it sauteed, very slow recipe. This one is slow cooking recipe. You don't put it on very high flame. इसे charred नहीं करना है. So this one has to be very slow and charred, and it just started getting cooked. And then we put chilies. So garlic cloves, chilies, just slow sauteing together. And you don't overcook them together a lot. Just meanwhile that one is getting sauteed, we put potato, and this is half tomato. So it's getting sauteed together for just another 30 seconds. So after 30 seconds of sauteing that potato, now we're gonna make it a little liquefied. So we are using small amount of water. We mix it nice together. Because the potato is very bland, we are putting salt in the beginning. So 1.5 teaspoon salt and little bit of peppercorn crush, मतलब कि काली मिर्च का पाउडर. और इसके अंदर डालेंगे हम 2 स्लाइस चीज के, और इसे देंगे हम स्टीम कुकिंग के लिए 1 से 1.5 मिनट का समय. Alright, so after a minute, see it's already start mixing nicely, and we're gonna just mix it together. बढ़िया चिली उड़ रही है. So as I said earlier, we'll see how we going with the cheese. This one looks like we may need another slice of cheese for cooking. So that's it. It's just gonna create little extra gooiness. क्योंकि already इसके अंदर potato है ना, तो ये gooey तो है, और उसके साथ साथ proper इसको tasteful भी बना देगा. So now we are adding last ingredient, cilantro, because not cilantro, sorry, my bad, it's a scallions. So scallions we just need it for mixing in the last. Cilantro we can use it for the garnish, that's what I meant to say. So this is it, it's finished of this cooking. Now we're gonna plate it on the rice, and let me show you how we're gonna plate. Alright, so this is the rice plating. We just made a small 1 layer of the rice, and now we are putting this KEWA DATSHI on the top. that's it. And if we have a green scallions, use the green scallions for the garnish. If you have a cilantro, use the cilantro for a garnish. You can use fresh chili as well for a garnish. And there we go, guys. That's a KEWA DATSHI. So this is another Bhutan dish. I don't think so lots of people put this dish on the viral to go, as KEWA DATSHI is very famous. I didn't know that people do know about this KEWA DATSHI or not, but I had the idea about the KEWA DATSHI, how it's actually looking. So that's why I thought that let me show my friends and some fans as well that how we make this dish and how we present. So you can make it for yourself, make it for your loved one. घर के लिए बनाइए, अपने चहितों के लिए बनाइए, दोस्तों के लिए बनाइए, बनाते रहिए, सबको प्यार भरा अपना खाना खिलाते रहिए, थोड़ा बहुत प्यार हमें भी देते रहिए. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please, please, please do tell me how did you like our recipe. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.